The steps I'm taking to protect myself and others during COVID is following government guidelines, wearing a mask, regularly washing my hands and sanitising, following 1-1 systems, and just keeping 2 metres away. I'm taking these measures because I want to be back to normal, be in the creative environment where we are, and see more students thriving in their creative space. The pandemic has affected us with our routines, our daily routines. So my children, they tend to stick to a routine, and I do too, even my dog. So having no routine and then coming back to a routine is a hard one to grasp. I'm continuing to stay safe off campus by following all the government guidelines, only really going out when I need to, never taking my children into shopping centres or Tesco shops or anything like that. I'll always do it in the evening time, so then it's less people there. When I take the children for walks and the dog for walks, we sanitise our hands after touching things. We have sanitizer in my bag and in my car, so we're always ready to sanitize.